There are 7 different Typing Agent games that you can pick from in Typing Agent this year. To access the games, you're going to go to the Games app in Typing Agent. The first games that I'm going to show you are multiplayer games. So you can choose battleships. In battleships, you choose an opponent. And it says sink all the enemy ships. First, arrange your ships on the left side, then take turns with the opponent to bomb each other's ships. So I can move the ships to different spots. I can also spin them around, try to hide them. Then I click OK. Now I'm going to type the words that I see. So I'm going to start with pie. I click enter to try. Oh, I didn't get one, but they got me. So now I get to try again. And we keep going back and forth. Oh, we both found one of each other's ships. Next, we have Doodle Memory. In Doodle Memory, you choose an opponent. And it says take turns with your opponent to reveal a pair of tiles. If the revealed tiles are related, you will receive points and will be granted an extra turn. Okay, so I'm going to type the words on the card. So I have a basketball hoop. Ooh, and cheese. Those don't match, so now it's my opponent's turn. So now I can choose 2 more. Oops, still don't find a match, so we keep going back and forth. The last multiplayer game is Penalty Kick. You're going to choose your opponent, and then it says make or block the kick by typing your words faster than your opponent. You get to choose the team that you want to play for. First, you get to kick, so I'm going to look here. I'm going to type as fast as I can, but I got to be accurate. Oops, they blocked it. They typed it faster. Now I'm the goalie. I have to block the ball. Ooh, I did it. And now it's my turn again to kick. Now, some single player games that you can try are Cliff Type. I'm going to click Start. It's easy. And then click Play. Then all the ones in green are ones that I can type. So I have to get my character to the top of the mountain. It gets harder as you go, so see what you can do. And it shows you over here where you are in the mountain. We also have River Run. You can choose easy. You can choose the type of words you have, if you want words or if you want letters together. I'm going to do easy words. We're in our kayak and we have to type the words to get rid of those alligators. If you see a hippopotamus, you're going to have to type several words to get them out of our way. You can also choose rocket. I'm going to choose words. I'm going to do play. Now we have to hit the rockets so they don't explode in the sky. So I have to type the words or the letters real fast. The last game that you can play is called Jetpack Typing. You're going to click on your level. And your goal is to get the stars that you see. So you have to type the letters or the words. Each level gets a little harder. Now it's your turn to explore some of the games. Have fun and happy gaming.